today, um, na-discuss ko yung anong pwede nating gawin, no? Para ma-improve yung audit. I remember when I was in the corporate world, alam niyo, dami kong libro eh. Yan. And then, I have many Harvard Business Review. Bawat libro nito, 1,000 eh. Talagang iniipon ko lahat ito. Change management, managing yourself, career resilience, public speaking, managing across border. Marami po eh. And a lot of things na binabasa natin on how to help the president and even the government na magkaroon tayo ng way on how to prevent budget insertions. So nung nagtatrabaho ako sa corporate world at may bisita coming from New York, I remember na ang country manager namin noon ay nag-hire ng isang malaking kumpanya to audit the auditor. Not because the auditor was not functioning well. It is not. It is because he wanted na maging ang score namin ay excellent because yung New York auditors ay dadating. Kasi it's a pride na malaman mo. So, ang ginawa mo, pina-audit mo yung sarili mo. And then, yung report ng auditor, alright, pinakita, maganda yung internal auditor plus the third company na hinire. Pagdating ng New York, okay yung aming audit.